In this video, you will learn how to use Ansys Rocky software with Ansys Motion application and get your simulation optimized. The coupling between Ansys Rocky and Ansys Motion allows for advanced simulations that consider interactions between moving geometries and particles. This helps predict deformations, forces, and realistic system responses. Rocky has a built-in motion solver, but it only allows predefined movements without real interactions between geometries. By coupling with Ansys Motion, we enable geometry-to-geometry interactions, making the motion more realistic and physically accurate. The coupling works by exporting an FMU file from Ansys Motion, which contains all the motion data. Rocky then imports this FMU, applying the motion while calculating forces and interactions with the bulk material. This two-way exchange ensures an accurate simulation. To export a FMU file from Ansys Motion, go to the Co-Simulator tab and click on Generate Information. In the Ansys Rocky coupling window, two options will appear for each geometry, input and output. Select Output for exported geometries that do not interact with particles in Rocky. These bodies provide position and velocity information to the simulation. Select Input for exported geometries that interact with particles in Rocky. They receive forces and moments resulting from the simulation and can modify their behavior based on these interactions. Then, save the FMU file. This file contains all applicable geometries, motion definitions, and motion solver files needed for coupling. In Ansys Rocky, go to Modules in the data tree and activate the Multibody Dynamics FMU coupling module. In the Module tab, click the FMU file name button and import the FMU file saved in the previous step of the lesson. The Communication Step Size Control option defines how Rocky and Ansys Motion synchronize their time steps. Next, right-click on Geometries and select Import Wall. Select the same FMU file imported by the module in the previous step. Select the scale of the geometry to be imported, and all geometries will be imported. In the Solver tab, edit the simulation time duration to correspond to the total time set in the motion, as well as the time interval. In this case, must be equal to 25 divided by 100, set in motion. You can see the interaction between particles and geometry, as well as create cases with interaction with SPH. You can also post-process information from imported geometry and plot data, such as force, for example. By coupling Ansys Rocky with Ansys Motion software, you can take your Multibody Dynamics simulations to the next level, creating a multitude of projects for various industries. To learn more, access Ansys Rocky manuals and Ansys Rocky Innovation Space. The links are in the description.